Hi, John here. Today I want to expand on my essential nutrients video, specifically protein. Today I'm going to cover what they are, how we group them, what they do in the body, some high quality sources of protein, and how alcohol consumption denatures protein, causing huge damage to the body. There are timestamps in the description if you wish to skip around. Proteins are biopolymetric structures made from chains of amino acids. Out of the many amino acids, there are 20 commonly found in biochemistry which are used to make the proteins in your body. Bonds cause these proteins to form 3D shapes to make them useful for a specific purpose. These amino acids can be categorized into 3 different groups known as non-essential amino acids, conditionally essential amino acids, and essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are amino acids which can be produced by the body, so their consumption is not necessary. There are 5 of these, and they are known as alanine, asparaginine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, and serine. Conditionally essential amino acids are amino acids which can be produced by the body under normal conditions, but production will be impaired due to conditions such as starvation. There are 6 of these amino acids, and they are known as arginine, cysteine, glutamine, glycine, proline, and tyrosine. Essential amino acids are amino acids that cannot be produced by the body. Therefore, dietary protein provides the body with these. This group is the largest and consists of 9 amino acids. They are known as histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Probably the most well-known use for protein in the body is as structural elements of cells and tissue. For example, the proteins actin and tubulin form the actin filaments and microtubules, which hold the myosin in place to allow muscles to produce a contraction. Proteins are also used as catalysts to increase the rate of reactions in the body. Catalyzed reactions in the body are 1 million or more times faster, making them very important for proper function. Most hormones are made out of amino acid chains which are known as protein hormones, such as insulin, glucagon, HGH, IGF-1, and luteinizing hormone. Protein hormones commonly have lots of disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds are easily broken by alcohols. This means when proteins are placed into an aqueous environment rich in alcohol groups, they are denatured due to their bonds being broken and therefore their purpose is inhibited. An example of this is in the blood when alcohol is consumed, causing the denature of HGH, which is why teenagers who excessively drink alcohol stop growing due to their growth hormone being unable to function. This also causes the denature of insulin, which is why alcoholics also eventually develop diabetes, as the loss of functioning insulin inhibits the removal of sugar from the blood, therefore leading baseline blood sugar levels to increase. There are also many other bad effects of alcohol, which is why you should limit its consumption. In general, animal-based foods such as dairy, meat, and seafood usually contain all 9 of the essential amino acids. Furthermore, soy-based products also contain all 9 essential amino acids, whereas most plant-based foods contain high levels of some amino acids, but also low levels of other essential amino acids. This means that if your protein comes predominantly from plants, it is important to make sure you eat from a varied selection of food, because not all plants are low or high in the same amino acids. It would be wrong to assume that animal-based sources provide more protein than plant-based sources, but a larger volume of plant-based product may need to be consumed to get the same amount of protein from a smaller volume of animal-based product. However, the mass will stay the same. Some high-quality sources of protein are steak, salmon, tuna, eggs, cheese, beans, nuts, seeds, and grains. Protein supplements, such as protein powder or protein bars, if whey or soy-based, seem to be an okay source but lacking slightly in other nutrients. However, protein supplements which are not whey or soy-based can be potentially lacking in essential amino acids. For protein, the recommended daily allowance is 0.36 grams per pound of body weight. This will change depending on your age, gender, goals, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and the type and volume of exercise you do. Personally, I consume about 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. This is quite high, but I feel the best consuming this amount, due to doing a high volume of training throughout the week. Furthermore, there are many diseases associated with excess and deficiency of protein intake, so it is important to eat the right amount. However, to see any of these negative effects, you would have to go to one or another extreme, so it is not to worry. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.